Today's video, I've got something super special for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny from Jenny Card Designs. My YouTube channel shares paper crafting, tutorials, and inspiration. I've been working really hard and I'm excited to share with you the Timeless Notes Vintage Card Making Kit. This is super gorgeous. It's so beautiful. The kit is packed with gorgeous ephemera. I've made these cards and some envelopes out of the kit, and I have so much more left to play with. You can make a ton of stuff. Also, the great thing about the kit is that it is a digital download. So basically what that means is you purchase the file, you download, and you can print however many you want. You could print 1,000 of these. Whatever you want to do with it, the file belongs to you and it's yours once you purchase it. So I've included 12 sheets of pattern paper and 4 sheets of ephemera and sentiments. And the ephemera is a cut apart sheet where you can cut out sentiments and elements for your beautiful cards. So I'm going to show you a little quick sneak peek of some of the images and sheets in the kit. And then if you head on over to my website, it'll be linked in the description box down below. You can pick up your copy. And I appreciate all of the support for all of my subscribers who have been around for a long time, who've purchased my templates. It really motivates me to keep going, and hopefully you can be inspired by some of the things you see here. And if not, you can always use whatever papers you have already on hand to create something like this. All right, let's take a look at the kit. So I've created 4 cards and coordinating envelopes. And the envelopes are just little stamped images that I cut out from the cut apart sheet and glued on. And same with the cards. The cards are a pattern paper, a sentiment, and some cut aparts. So you have the cover sheet and it has some beautiful images that you can cut out as well. I created this not just to create a title page, but also some elements that you could cut out and add to your cards. So we have the cover page. We have some collage sheets with beautiful muted tones, very vintage feel, sepia tones, and some lovely, gorgeous roses and teals. And it's just beautiful. I'm so in love with this, and I'm super proud of the work that I put into it and what I was able to generate with it. So we have some backgrounds. This is a simple background. I thought if you wanted to create your own envelopes to coordinate, you could use some background papers. I printed all of my pages single-sided, but you could definitely print them double-sided if you wanted to create an envelope. So you could use this part as your envelope liner and, you know, take one of the beautiful pages to create your envelope. Now this is kind of a 50-50. There are cut aparts here, but it's also a background, so you can use it as you choose. So I counted it as a pattern paper, but the elements can be cut out for your cards. So that's super pretty. And then we have just some soft scripty floral backgrounds, some damask patterns. Again, same idea. This one has some beautiful pinks and gorgeous birds. Now, these birds, I thought you could just use the whole bird as a card front. You can do whatever you want with it, really. It's up to you. It's your projects, but that's just, you know, sort of my idea. But I love these birds. So pretty. Oh, we have some beautiful vintage roses. I love the greens in here. Gorgeous background for a card. And we have some stationery, some collage sheets, some cut apart strips. Now for this, I thought you could use this as a border. Now you can cut this out and maybe, you know, put a border across the bottom of your envelope or even, you know, inside your card. I thought they were just a nice element to have to kind of step up your designs. So there's a landscape and a portrait, depending on how big you want. And now we're into other cut aparts. So I have this full sheet of little stamps. Now I find I don't have the right scissors to make stamped edges. So there are these little nubbies on here. You can cut them out and cut them off, but whatever you want to do with it. But I really like them. I use these stamps in the envelopes. as you can see here. I just cut off the little stamp nubby things. Not a big deal. You do whatever you want to do. And then we have the beautiful sheet of sentiments and ephemera. So we've got thank you, with love, thinking of you, and just a note. And then you have some beautiful calligraphy pens and feathers and a calligraphy pen feather, some roses, and just some beautiful stuff. So I said I was going to give you a sneak peek. I just showed you the whole kit. So that's the kit. I'm just really excited about sharing it with you. I love it so much, and I love the vintage look to these cards. So here I used the cut apart sentiment and one of the roses, and for all 4 of these cards, I used 1 sheet of pattern paper. So there's a collage sheet here somewhere. I used this one, and I cut it into 4 panels, and I took 4 panels measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I layered them, and I got 4 cards out of that 1 sheet of pattern paper. So you can kind of see how it was laid out, kind of like that. So I really love that look. All right, so there are so many options. You can take this to whatever level you want. I've just provided the designs and then some samples, and then you can go to town and just have fun creating, make envelopes, make cards, make journals even, like some of these patterns could be printed double-sided, folded in half, and added as a journal page. You can create pockets for journals, stuff like that. It is a card kit, but can be used for, whatever you want to do. I hope that you enjoyed this sneak peek of my Timeless Notes card kit. And again, linked in the description box down below. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have yourself a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!